Hi and back everyone to HandSkill. Today making 3 dies for kitchen. Let's start. For first DIY, I am using old wooden spatula. I directly use it. If you wish, you can paint with your favorite color. Next, adding 2 brass cup hooks to hang coffee mugs. Check for hook tightness before using it. Using here some artificial flowers for decoration, but you can add one more hook on that place if you wish. Beautiful mug holder is ready. You can stick double side tape or rope to hang it on wall. And for next DIY, using disposal round plate of 7-inch size, check description box for link and taking 3 plates here. Next, sticking masking tape on center of plate to paint only half side of plate. Using sky blue acrylic, just paint half side of plate and repeat the same for next 2 plates with green and pink acrylic. After paint dried, remove the masking tape from all plates. Using cotton swab, put dots on next half side of plate. You can also use back side of paintbrush or pencil tip instead of cotton swab to put dots. Next, making small paper flowers. For that I am taking color papers, yellow and black. If you don't have artificial flowers as I use in first DIY, then you can also use this paper flower. using newspaper to make paper sticks. For that using pen refill here and then just start rolling it from one corner of newspaper and glue it on end. Then color it with brown acrylic. Doing all this for making letters on paper plate. Now painted paper sticks is ready. Just cut and glue it to make letters on paper plate. For this simple kitchen wall art, I am using double-sided tape to stick it on wall. Third one is DIY chalkboard. For this I am using old plastic chopping board. Just paint it with black spray paint and then using regular chalk paste to make wall signs. Tied with wet cloth to erase the words. It works well. You can also use this as kitchen daily planner board. If you like this video, do consider subscribing and thanks for watching.